Welcome to Manny's Automotive. Today we have a 2016 Ford F150, and I'm going to be showing you how to reset your oil maintenance light on this vehicle. We're going to need a few buttons, this to scroll left and right, up and down, and this to push OK. So let's turn the ignition on. We're going to wait up to this screen to load up. We're going to push OK to clear any messages that might pop up. All right, now we're gonna use this to scroll until we reach the truck info. You're gonna scroll until you see your engine information, which is right here. You're gonna click OK. Then you're gonna press and hold the OK button. You have successfully reset your oil maintenance light. If you find this video useful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.